Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film something a little different than I've filmed in previous tutorials. I've been really into the wet eyelid look. It's been coming up on my Instagram and I've been really dying to try it. Let's get started. So I've already applied my foundation, my concealer, my powder, excuse me, and I've done my brows off camera because I've filmed that a bunch of times and you guys don't need to see it again. But I just want to show you the picture that was like the inspo to this look, because I've been wanting to do a look like this for quite a while now, but this picture killed me. Yes, this is stunning. It's so beautiful. The name of this artist is Alice SV, and she's 19 years old, but it is so beautiful. I was just, when I saw this picture, not exactly recreating that, but I'm doing something similar. I really wanted to go with that wet, glossy eyelid look. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and the shade Pukey, and this is a nice, light, warm brown shade, and I'm just using that as my transition shade, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, little bits at a time until I reach the intensity that I want. Next, I'm going in with the shade Jax, and this is a really pretty like brick tone color, and I am just adding most of it on the outer corner of the eye and then blending it into the inner corner, and I'm putting that right above the shade that I placed before it, which was Pukey. Here I'm going in with a clean blending brush and just blending out all the edges. Now I'm packing some more of that Jax shade, and then I'm adding a little more to the center of the eye. I'm really just using whatever is left on my brush after I've packed it in the outer corner of the eye. Here I keep going in with a clean blending brush in between shades just to clean out any harsh lines. Next I'm going in with this really pretty creamsicle shade. That's the name of it, Creamsicle. And I'm just going to pack that right slightly underneath Jax and headed towards the center of the lid. And like usual, I'm doing little bits at a time and building the intensity. This color is so pretty. It's starting to look like a sunset on my eye. Next, I'm going in with the shade Silk Cream, and I'm just cleaning up any harsh lines. It's really smoothing it out, so it's blurring whatever harshness I have on my upper lid, so it's creating a nice gradient effect. Next, I'm going in with this Milani lip oil, and this is like the coconut scent. And the reason I'm using this one is because I feel like any other clear lip gloss I've used is way too sticky. This still gives you that beautiful shine that you could see right there, but it's not sticky, so it doesn't stick my eyelids together. And you can see how I'm patting it in so I'm not disturbing the color that I've laid underneath. And here you can see the gradient effect from the creamsicle shade to the haunts to the Pukey, and it just smokes out at the end. Next I'm going in with mascara, and this is the Tarteist mascara. And I'm just going to apply some falsies, and I'm using these for the first time. These are the Ardell Studio Effects Wispies. They're pretty easy to put on. They're a little bigger than the regular Wispies, but I like them for this look. Next, I'm going back in with the Milani gloss and just applying a little bit more to build that shine. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this color Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's such a pretty, beautiful highlight. It's so nice. So I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner. Going back in with Pukey and Hunts, and I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. I don't know the numbers of these MAC pencils, but I will leave them in the bottom bar below. I'm just applying a little mascara on my bottom lashes to finish the eye look. Next, I'm going in with the powder Talia by NARS, and I'm just warming up the skin, and I'm actually using the same powder to contour. I'm just going to be using different brushes. This is a Moda something brush, and I will also leave that in the bottom bar below because I don't remember the name. And now this is the Moda chisel brush. I'm going to use that to define my cheekbones a little bit more. I'm just carving out my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with this Pure Cosmetics palette, and I'm using the blush side. This is such a pigmented, pretty color. And I'm using a stippling brush and just adding this blush all over my cheeks. Going in with a Morphe brush and just contouring my nose. And for highlight, I'm using my Artist Couture Illuminati highlight. This is the first time I've used Artist Couture, and I have been sleeping on this. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going back in with a little fan brush and just kind of dusting everything off so it's not as intense. I'm blending everything in. Now with a pencil brush, I'm just adding a little bit of highlight on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Now after looking at my makeup and finishing everything, I wasn't crazy about the lip I chose, so you'll see me wipe it off, and I'm going to go back in with something a little bit different. And I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in the shade Pumpkin. I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm filling it in with the color. This is such a pretty burnt orange color. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me any comments in the bottom bar below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'll leave everything linked in the bottom bar below. Thanks, guys.